Hello everyone, this is the Traveling Tacos. We are here today at Cherry Creek State Park. John and I are at the model airfield about to fly our Autel Evo drone again. I'm really excited. We're not only trying out the drone again, this will be our third time flying it. We've got some new equipment this time. We're using a new camera gimbal, which my lovely cameraman, my fiance John, is operating right now. We are testing this out. We've also got a new GoPro Gimbal. We are testing out 2 different microphones, so really excited to be upping our level of production, trying to get these Traveling Tacos videos the best quality we can make them. So really excited to see how this drone footage is going to turn out today.